Hey, good afternoon, grade 3-4 class. So, a few of you have been asking me, how do I do a drawing in Google? So, I'm going to do a quick little tutorial. Hopefully, this will come in handy for some other things down the road. Looking at today's work, daily work number 6, I'll go down to drawing. And I notice that there's a question. It says, use a sentence that has at least 2 adjectives describing words. Draw a picture to illustrate your sentence. So what I could do is I can go here and I can type in a sentence that has 2 descriptive. So the crowd roared at seeing, and I'm not going to finish the sentence, but pretend I throw in 2 adjectives in there. I then go to the next part where I need to include a drawing. So watch carefully. I go up here. I have the option of drawing a line, or I can actually use a curve. So it kind of curves for you. It's a little awkward to use, and it just keeps going. What you need to do is you double click to get out of it. It's a little crazy. If it goes crazy, once again, you can experiment. So I'll just say that kind of looks cool, but I'm going to undo it. And I go back to the curve and I select scribble. Now this is where I can use my scribble to draw something. I don't know. It's a mystery. I want the class can try to guess. Oh, I messed those ones up. It's not easy drawing with a mouse. But as you can see, I'm drawing something. The mystery today is, what is Mr. Gunning trying to draw? If you can figure it out, then let me know. And you will be known as the winner of today's What Did Mr. Gunning Draw? Now, to get out of that, I can go back to the select. So as you can see, there's my drawing. If you don't like your drawing, you can just go back to the undo and you can eliminate. I'm going to put everything back. And the big thing was this. What did Mr. Gunning draw? Hope you enjoyed my little tutorial, and maybe next time I'll have an even more exciting one. See you, folks.